Diyan kayo sa comedy. Dito ka.
Sensor pala ang bola yan.
Oo. Sarap po. Start mo. Lala.
Defensive rebound, 34.
Start. 3. Second half.
Second ball number 3.
Tayo Friday.
Wala, may ano kami. Kayo na lang muna. May switch. Si Jay.
Rebound number 6.
Lebes Biyernes.
Sarap. Galing mga ako dito para ako na dyan.
83 to 1.
Warren. Defensive
Defensive
rebound.
rebound, 34. Out of bounds.
Nice, Tommy. Nice, Hassel.
Supply.
Walang sigat gel yan?
Wala. Naka-mission.
Di ba tapos na yun?
Hindi, sa blue. Naka-mission.
Mission. Sorting yun. Naka-mission. Kaya pala nabakan nila.
10 second shot clock.
Ay,
Rebound, 34.
hindi umawa.
Defensive rebound, 34. Rebound number 83. Ball number 9.
Alan.
Second foul. Play to ball. Assist number 7. Ten second shot clock. 3 2 points.
Kili-kili shot.
Third quarter, 2 points. Assist number 9. Ten second shot clock.
Uy! Good.
Rebound number 9. Rebound 83.
Sana sa ano yun eh, no?
Uy!
Steal number 9. Subdivision.
Uwi na ka. Sakit yun.
Bangga eh. Yellow sir, may yellow tayo.
Sir, yellow. Yellow.
Ito, meron dito. Nagilid.
Kabila. Yung kabila, Jay.
Defensive rebound, 83. Foul. Basket. Foul number 34.
Ba't sila na si Jay?
Isa pa lang.
First personal foul number 34. Nine, good point.
Tira naman pala eh.
Yabayaan mo kasi kanina, sir eh. Ganda ng pass.
Good point. Ten second shot clock.
Nailang.
Rebound, 83. Thirty-one, good point.
Siyam.
Balag ba na?
Ten second shot clock. Defensive rebound number 9. Defensive rebound number 8. Rebound 31. Steal number 8. Rebound number 8.
Kalat.
Raising you, good point.
Pinagpasan.
Zeus. Time out.
Sir. Time out daw.
10 second shot clock.
Nagulat.
Ayan, taas.
5 second shot clock. Shot clock violation.
Time out.
Time out, Team Heavy.
Turnover din.
Sino?
Ni Sir Doc. 54 seconds minus.
Back to the ball game.
Yun na.
Ten second shot clock.
Uli.
5 second shot clock. Out of bounds.
Wait lang.
Foul number 29.
29. 29 is second personal foul.
Second foul number 29.
JT.
Defensive rebound 28.
Foul.
Foul number 29.
Tatlo. Tatlo.
Third personal foul. Third foul. Rebound, 73. Out of bounds.
Okay, lamang naman eh.
Two points.
Okay, pasa ni Kamangon. Uy,
10-second shot clock. Foul number 11.
JD. Wala rin si Joseph. Ito rin si Joseph, di ba sa puti? Dore. Bang bang.
Rebound number 5.
Rebound number 5.
Foul number 38.
38. Charles.
Dalawa na.
Second personal foul.
Second foul, number 38.
Sundan ang ano.
Pagkakunan niya ni Chelsea.
10-second shot clock.
Wala.
Vincent rebound, number 11.
Wala.
Vincent rebound, 38. Rebound, 29. Black, number 51.
Foul? Wala. Ni Yuki.
Rebound, 21.
Rebound 21.
38 to win. Rebound, 28. 38 to win. 40 seconds. Two. 30 seconds. He's right.
Habol, no?
Doing 1 seconds. Foul number 38. Third personal foul number 38. Time remaining 12 seconds.
Anim.
10 seconds.
Boom! Tikan.
End of third quarter. Fourth quarter. White possession. Team Maran.
Game. Fourth quarter, last quarter. Wala ka ito. Ay, maaga pa kasi. Maaga pa eh. Expected nila.
Rebound 51. Rebound number 3.
Go down, James. Track.
10 foul.
Foul.
Number 73.
Sila na yun. Danay. First foul.
First personal foul.
Screen!
Rebound 73.
Lock ba? Oo.
Rebound 38. Steal 86. 2 points.
Okay? Iba yan. Iba yan.
10 rebound 34. Foul.
First foul.
Number 86.
Babantikin mo yun. 86. Second foul. 86.
Kalimutan ko na ito.
Dalawa.
Dalawa.
Oo, dalawa shoot niya. James.
Steal 38. Here's the point.
Pasa ni 30.
Rebound 34. Steal 83. 3 2 points.
Matataka ng pensive ball, wala eh. Hindi ko nakikot eh.
Flexible yung ano niya, no?
Nakakano yung paa niya eh.
Mamaya niya yung makakamdaman.
Sarili, no? Nakakaw niya mamaya.
Wow!
Rebound 7-3. Foul basket.
Basket.
Foul number 9. Substitution.
Kasi ano, yung foul.
Substitution.
Hindi.
Siya.
Ayun po, ano?
Si Yuki. Ito.
Sa pamewang. Albo. Papasok pa lang isang lane eh.
Tatlo na.
Third personal foul number 9.
Ya, mababait po siya.
Tres.
Rebound. 28. 7-3 2 points. Assist number 20. Number 31.
Kaya po bang gawin?
Ah,
2 points.
Wala, nakapak eh. Wala. 2 points. Dok.
10 seconds shot clock. 5 seconds shot clock.
Ganda pa.
2 points. Time out, Team Handy.
Gale.
6 minutes. Palumat kasi.
Laban to. No? Dito ba yan
Oo,
nakaline up?
kanila rin yan. Ay, kailan pa lumarata ito eh.
Oh, tingin.
Dito yan. Huli!
Black. Number 38. Same ball shot clock 13.
Ay, pinake.
Madali na rin.
Sir, mukhang nag-scout ka sir ah.
Nakahanap ng player yan.
Sure win na no, sir?
Nice!
51 2 points.
Uy!
Out of bounds.
Kasi sa labas. Tres.
3.
Pasok. Pumasok.
10 seconds shot clock.
Yun o. Hindi tinira. Lock.
5 second shot clock.
Defensive rebound.
Taas din jump shot, pero abot.
Pangkal yun eh.
Yung timeout namin.
Tatlo, sir. Oo.
Time out, Team Moran.
Siya na lang. Ewan ko si sir nag-ano na sir.
Sino
Sir
ba?
says.
Sino tumira?
Yung pin.
Walang bayad dito.
Nung nakaraan, laki nung bahay dun sa inyo ah. Oo, kay sir ano.
Oras.
32 ata. 52,000.
Talaga.
Oo, kay ano.
Kaya nawala na kami ng
Sir Matt. Wala na ba si Sir Matt, sir?
yari mo.
Wala na yung Sir Matt.
Dahil,
May liga sa labas.
may digis. Baka next ano, sali na yun.
Mami, back tayo. Yuki.
Sino eh. Pwede na nga yun.
10 second shot clock.
Same
5 second shot clock.
Serious pala itong si
pag-asa mo sa ay!
10 second shot clock. Lock. Out of bounds.
Defensive player. Foul.
Defensive foul number 3.
That is third.
Third personal foul.
Lock.
Oo, dalawa na yan. Dalawa na lang yun.
Is doing.
Out of bounds.
Wala. Ito lang yan, pre. Ilan pa tayo?
Sana lang.
Balik.
10 second shot clock. 5 second shot clock. Foul number 38.
Pangapat na yan, ah.
Apat.
Fourth personal foul number 38. Fourth foul.
Apat na.
Sa'yo na, Papi. Sa'yo na. Diyan ka na, Papi. Diyan ka na.
10 second shot clock. Foul number 8. Third team foul.
Yan na si Doc. Second.
Second foul number 8. Defensive rebound, 7-3.
Defensive rebound.
Ayun ang andito, sir, eh. Dapat talaga may photo shot lock.
Ba na yan.
Oo.
Dapat yan ako natin, eh.
Lumang ano yan eh.
Substitution.
Hindi mo kasi pwedeng ano lang yan. Time-chain. Kasi 24 talagang brigado na siya.
12 seconds. Shot clock 12 seconds. Steal.